Now let's open the JS folder and our core.js file. We're going to create a new object literal. So we start with var nav object, which will be the name of our object. Then we're going to create a few properties. Pose up, which will be the position once we mouse over the span, will be -40 because we want the A tag to slide up, the top margin to have -40. Then we have position down, which will be, oh sorry, rather than equal sign we should have here colons, which will be 0 pixels by default. Then we're going to create the function, the method of this specific object, which will be go up. Function, we will pass the object to which we apply in this specific method. Then we use this object and we first apply the method stop jQuery method with true parameter, then .animate, and we're going to animate the margin top. So we, in between a single quote, margin, capital TOP, then we have colon, this, pose up. And after this, we need to specify the duration of this animation, which will simply use fast, which is one of the default jQuery durations, basically. And then we're going to create, after this method, we're going to create another one, which is go down function. Again, we pass in the object, the instance of the object. Then we have object stop again, true, to make sure that obviously if someone's moving over the links very quickly, they're not gonna be going crazy, basically. Then animate, and we're going to do the same, margin top. This time we're going to use this, pose down, so it's going to the initial position, basically, and the same speed will be fast. Now, after all this, we're going to start by typing the $sign, opening brackets, then function, and opening and closing curly brace, semicolon right at the end. We're going to do navigation, LIA, and we want to use event hover, so function. Scroll up a little bit. Then we use nav object go up method, and we're passing this as the object so that it knows which element should it trigger. Then hover after we take the mouse out. Then another function, and this time I'm just going to copy this. Simply change the name of the method, down. So go down, nav object go down. Again, we pass in the current element instance. Okay, so that seemed to be done. If we go to our browser, now refresh it, now mouse over the element, and you can see our navigation is now working fine. So that's it in this tutorial. Any comments, you know what to do.